Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting only what you need: syllabus, slides, and the textbook chapter. This narrows scope and saves time. Then choose a one-page layout, Cornell for facts, mind map for systems, or outline for sequences, so every note has a clear structure. Once chosen, skim the material for headings, bold terms, and diagrams. Mark 3-6 core concepts per section. Set a 25-40-minute timer to focus and begin extracting definitions, processes, and key numbers immediately. Don't reread every sentence. Now you distill. Turn long explanations into 1 to 3 word triggers, plus a single concise sentence that explains how or why. Use arrows and consistent abbreviations to map processes, glycolysis, mitosis, signal pathways, so relations are obvious at a glance. Sketch one small diagram for cycles or structures. Visuals fix sequence and scale. Once done, tag each item as core or example. Make sure core concepts take priority and are visually emphasized. Finish by reading your page out loud for 3 minutes. This reveals gaps and awkward phrasing, so you can tighten definitions and links. Then convert 3 strong facts into flashcard questions to enable active recall later. If the page looks cluttered, trim examples and redundant notes. Focus on 3 to 5 core bullets and 1 clear diagram. If you still struggle to remember, simplify further, remove non-essential details, and rehearse the flashcards until retrieval is smooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.